Hello and welcome to Elm Bonsai. In today's video, we have a rock clasping Chinese Elm Bonsai that is outgrowing its pot. You will learn how to identify when a bonsai tree needs repotting and the steps to do it safely. Let's get started. This handmade ceramic wheel-thrown bonsai pot I made will be a new home for a lucky bonsai tree. Jack will look around the garden to find some potential candidates. Two years ago, Jack planted it in this pot with a rock. He noticed the larger roots growing out of the drainage hole.
Grow out. Inside, 在里面全部都是根。
This was the first indication that it's time for maintenance. The second warning sign is the appearance of more roots than soil on top. The third indicator is the difficulty in removing it from the pot. Pot bound is when the roots are too dense and there is no more space for them to grow. Jack will remove the tree carefully so the roots and the pot are not damaged. The tree will be kept wired to the rock. No need to separate them yet.
The root, all the roots inside. Soil is just a little bit. All is root.
Notice how there are more roots than soil? Over time, watering, fertilizing, and other factors cause a buildup of salts. This increases the acidity, which is harmful to a bonsai tree. The solution is a soil change, some pruning, and maybe even a new pot. If you enjoy our videos or learned something new, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button to support our channel. A root rake or even a chopstick can be used to separate the roots and break the old soil away from them. almost ready. Jack can now decide on the position.
这个在正面，This is fun， 这样子。Or here is better, I think, because you can see the roots coming over. Right, this one just the back side, because you can see the wire here, right? The wire, and here is beautiful. Roots coming up and this way. I think that this way is better. It's good looking. How about that? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Time to prepare the pot. This piece of mesh will stop the akadama soil from leaking out. A small wire is used to hold it in place. If you want to learn this wiring technique, we have more videos on it. I'll leave a link in the description. Jack and his students are loving the bonsai pots I make for them, and they are available to buy on Shopee or jacquelinebonsai.com. There is a link for them in the description. Jack is finding the front of the pot. It should be above one of the legs for stability and where the pattern looks the best.
Here's one.
Was it here? At the front?
The first layer of Akadama soil goes in to help set the height of the tree. Chinese Elm Bonsai trees can thrive in Akadama soil. Because it is cooked at high temperatures, it is clean and free of unwanted pests. In addition, the color darkens after watering, so it's easy to determine when to water again. One arm of the wire is pushed through the root ball, then the other is tightened around it. Excess wire can be removed before or after tightening with the pliers.
You just can tie more tighter. So little bit shake， 对不对？好，没关系。No shake. Right now, good.
Smaller sized Akadama soil is used to fill in any gaps. Bottom watering the first time ensures the soil is completely saturated. This rock-clasping Chinese Elm Bonsai tree in a handmade ceramic wheel-thrown bonsai pot could be yours. So make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates and more bonsai content. Thanks for watching.